Howdy fellow Sublimation peeps. In today's video we're going to do one of the simplest and easiest projects in Sublimation, a mouse pad. We're going to make something for my wife. She just started a new job, needs a mouse pad, so we got her taken care of. And my daughter Sam, who's 11 years old, is going to help me do this today. And we're going to put a nice, beautiful photo montage on this mouse pad. And we're going to start right now. Alright, now Sam's going to show us how we're cutting out the paper. If she wants to go ahead and cut it. You don't have to be perfect, just drag it across it. You're going to have to drag it with some force.
Look,
there you go.
I'm about to press out.
There you go.
Dude, you're ripping the paper.
It's fine, dude, it's fine. There you go. Now let's flip it and let's do the other side. Just cut it straight across here. It's totally fine. Hey, look, to operate it, you just take it, just drag it. See, now we're ready. We're ready to tape it and everything. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get everything. Now went ahead and set this to. We set it to 375. We're gonna do 70 seconds, and we're doing it 70 pounds. So we'll go ahead and pull this out. You got it. Reach down here and pull it. It's not hot. I wouldn't let you get hot, baby. Nope, right here. Right here. Yep. See? No problem. Pull it all the way out. Right, you got that down? It's a little warm. You gotta be careful. You just don't push down on it, baby.
Yeah.
Now we're going to go ahead and put this piece of paper down. Actually, let's go ahead and lint roll this first. You know how to lint roll?
Yeah.
Alright.
My favorite thing.
Let's get it in the frame of the camera. Alright, hold it, lint roll it. There you go.
The paper's hot.
It's not that hot. Alright.
How is this hairy?
Because we lint roll it just to get anything that might be on there off of there. Now we're going to line this up, so we're going to do that.
Oh my god, it's made with two jumpers.
Yeah, and look.
How is it right now?
Look, this is what we do. We kind of just line it up.
Wow.
Oh, that's perfect. Do we got any extra room on that side? I didn't make it quite big enough.
No, we don't have any extra. Hold on.
Alright, we're gonna have to put that all the way at the top. We're gonna do it just like that. We're gonna be a little bit off, but it's okay.
It's fine, mistakes up.
It's fine. Alright, we're gonna tape it down. I'll let you tape that side.
Ooh, fine.
There you go. You go ahead and tape that side.
Why are my hands so shake? Why are my hands so shake?
Alright.
You do it. I like tape. I like
yep, get you one right here. Now, we're almost there. We're at 356 and 70.
Okay.
So we're almost there. Our other piece of paper is right here, but what we're going to do, alright, heat press is ready. So we'll go ahead and just turn it over. We're not going to move the paper. I'm going to let you push it in there, and I'm going to let you hit start.
You push it in there.
No, look, right here. Just right on this edge. Just push it. Push it all the way in there until it clicks. Now hit the green button to go.
My god.
Totally fine. There you go.
Looks like a garbage man.
You don't like the garbage man? Alright. Now what's going to happen is in 40 seconds this is going to go and then you're going to just pull it out. And then we're going to just get the tape off of there. 8, 7. Alright, here we go. We're getting ready to pull it out of the oven.
4, 3,
out of the press rather.
It's the front man.
Alright, now let it click all the way up. Now pull it out.
Oh my god.
Go right there and pull. Yeah. Now just take it and just pull this paper. It's very hot. Be careful.
Oh my god, it smells like baked popcorn.
Yeah, they smell terrible.
I'm eating that later.
They smell terrible.
Like,
and there we go.
The popcorn.
Put it on. Oh. There we go.
That burnt my hand.
And that's what we got. Overall, it looks very good, very hot.
That's me
a
with two
little warm
jumpers
for me, but
preppy to emo.
But there we go. There's a mouse pad with all the babies. We can go ahead and turn the heat press off. If you press that button to turn it off. And overall, very good job, Sam. What do you think about it?
I'm emo. That's what I think about it.
Oh, you like it?
Put the camera at me.
Okay, but we'll go ahead and do a wrap up real quick, and we'll get it good to go. Sorry, guys and girls, it's that easy to get a good sublimation mouse pad. And overall, it looks fantastic. The colors come out good. Mouse pads are a super easy thing to do. Even my little 11-year-old here can help out making it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more sublimation content. Peace, guys.